What's up, gang? I'm back with another video, and y'all know I love to customize some shit. So I had got like a Spider-Man towel and rag or washcloth set, and I cut out the faces and I just added it to the jumpsuit. And I really think that, it was a great idea. Like, it gave the jumpsuit a different look, like a different vibe that I can't normally get with like a heat press machine or like screen printing. So I enjoy how it came out. It's pretty basic, not too much for my nephew birthday, but y'all, when I say I love this, like, I love how it came out. And y'all see here, I tried to put the gold paint over the white paint and it wasn't fully dry. So I had to wait until the next day, and then I went back in and it looked more pigmented after I let, the white sit in and just dry a little bit more. But this is the finished look, and I know my nephew is going to love it, y'all. My mama already had him like a Spider-Man shirt, so she wanted me to make him something to go with that. And, it goes good together. It's not perfect, but it's good for him. And, we ready to turn up.